Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. As per my subscribers' request, on this episode we're making lemon bars. And I want you guys to know that I am listening to your requests and I will be making them as soon as I get a chance. As I said before, lemon bars coming right up. Before we begin, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Let's go over the ingredients for the pastry base. 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of butter, half cup of sugar. To make the pastry base, in a food processor, blend together the butter, sugar, and flour. Blend it for about 1 minute. Let me show you what you should have after 1 minute of blending. This is a kind of grainy texture that you'll end up with. Pour into a non-stick baking pan. Press evenly into the bottom of the pan. Bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Now, let's go over the ingredients for the lemon layer. 4 eggs, 2 lemons, 1/4 cup of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar. We need the zest of the 2 lemons, very finely chopped. Combine the lemon juice from the 2 lemons with the lemon zest. Add in the sugar, the flour, and the eggs. Use an electric mixer at a medium speed and combine it all in for about 1 minute. Pour over the baked shortbread base. Bake at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is slightly browned and the custard appears to be set. Once out of the oven, let it cool off completely before serving. This guy cooled off in the fridge for several hours now, so guess what time it is? It is serving time! I am cutting them into squares. However, you can cut them into any shape that you like. Before serving, sprinkle with icing sugar for that extra sophisticated look. Let's give it a try. Look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? Oh wow. This is amazing. Oh my god, I'm in love. Taste the sourness of the lemon and the sweetness of the sugar. And it is just amazing. Mouth-watering indeed. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below. Give it a thumbs up. And YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.